Okay, we're now going to reassemble the machine. First of all goes the piston and rod assembly, and you will see it's put a little bit of grease on the piston seals there. Next comes the piston barrel, which will push over those two pins in a sort of a bayonet type fitting. We then just pull for those by hand initially, and then using the special tool which lives there, we're going to nip them up. 1 and 2, then put the tool back so that we don't lose it. Then after that comes the valve body, and once again you will see it locates with these bayonet type fitting, twist and warp up, and then special tool to tighten. And the tool goes back. And next comes the valve center. Okay, we put one retaining plate on that side. Okay, then we fit the actuator. And then we twist the valve center so that it locates. We then put the other retaining plate in place. Like such. And now the clamp, which you will see doesn't require any tools to put it on. Okay, next comes pipe work. So we take the first piece of pipe and a seal and a clamp. Okay, the seals do locate positively, so you know you put them on correctly. And you then slide the clamp around. Okay, there we go, we've got it. And then undo that so it's warp it. Okay, into the slot and we tighten it away. Next comes another elbow with a seal. Clamp. Seal locates. Pipe goes on. Slip the clamp over. Let's make sure the clamp is on square. That's it, there we go. You can hear that positive sound there as it located. Okay, and we take another seal and another clamp. And then we take elbow to the upright with a clamp. Make sure it's on properly. Over. And tighten. Okay, just a couple more components to go. We have the top elbow, seal in place, elbow on, clamp on. Okay, the penultimate component is the filling head. Seal in place. Head onto the seal. Then we slide the clamp over and tighten that. And after this, it's going to connect the pipes, which is just 2 push connections. Okay, 2 pipes. And they're color coded so that you can't get them the incorrect way around. Yellow to yellow. And green to green. And tuck those pipes out of the way. And then the final component to go on with the one big O-ring is the hopper. Hopper goes on. And it goes around. Tighten it up. And there it is. Your machine has been fully reassembled and is ready to work.